Hello everyone. In today's fast-paced digital world, artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming a game changer for everyone. From automating repetitive tasks to providing valuable understanding and predictions, artificial intelligence tools have the potential to boost productivity, efficiency, and innovation. In this video, we will be highlighting 5 amazing artificial intelligence tools that are sure to blow your mind and definitely supercharge your work. Ready? Let's begin with the first one. Magic Eraser. It's a feature of Magic Studio, a photo editing software that uses artificial intelligence technology to remove unwanted elements from the images, such as people, wrinkles, cars, and so on. It works by analyzing the image and identifying the element that needs to be removed, then mixing the surrounding pixels to fill in the gap, resulting in an image that appears as if the unwanted element was never there in the first place. As you can see, it removed the objects from the images without leaving any trace of their presence. Great, right? Well, sure it is. Magic Eraser is a powerful tool for anyone looking to improve their images, whether they are a professional photographer or just a casual smartphone user. This tool not only removes the unwanted elements but also improves the overall image quality. So it's the best time to get your hands on this tool and start messing around. Dali II. It's an OpenAI product. It's a computer program that also uses artificial intelligence to generate images from the text descriptions it takes. It's a more advanced version of the original Dali program. It uses a technique called transformer, which allows it to understand and respond to human language and images more accurately. Dali 2 is used to generate a wide range of images. For example, it can be used to generate realistic images of objects, animals, drawings, and paintings that don't exist in the real world. It's a cool tool to play around with and also can be used to create posters, logos, and the best part is when you create an image with Dali, you own the image, so there is no issues of copyright. And you have the complete right over the image, and even you can sell it. But unfortunately, this tool is not free anymore. Alternatively, you can use Stable Diffusion, which is absolutely free and does the same thing. Vance AI Photo Restoration Tool. It's a free artificial intelligence tool that fixes old photos instantly. It restores old and faded photos 100% automatically in a realistic way just in seconds. It was established in July 2020 and powered by AI photo restoration technology. What it does is replaces the missing details with the most realistic attributes. It works pretty simple. Just upload an old picture in this tool and then artificial intelligence will bring the damaged old picture back to life by removing its scratches, spots, and tears. If you have old photos in bad conditions, then it's the time you can use this online tool to fix them. Deep Nostalgia. It's an amazing free artificial intelligence tool to use in 2023. This tool is licensed by MyHeritage from DID, a company specializing in video reenactment using deep learning algorithms. This tool allows you to see people in your old family pictures moving their faces. Basically, it animates the faces in pictures using a deep learning technique. If you have a historic family photographs of distant relatives who you would like to see in motion, this innovative tool lets you animate their faces in pictures so you can see them smiling, blinking, and laughing, just as if you had recorded a video of them back in the day. This is how it works. Upload a photo from the main menu and then click on the photo you want to animate. That's it. Artificial intelligence technology will work on it, and after a few seconds you will get an animated photo. This tool is also available on MyHeritage mobile app, which can be downloaded on both app stores. Last one, Durable. It's one of the best amazing artificial intelligence tools for anyone who wants to start his own business. And what this tool does is allow you to build a website within a 30 seconds. Isn't it impressive? Yes, it is. All you have to do is simply open the tool and start playing around. I'm telling you, you would love it because it's the world's fastest website builder. So if you don't want to pay a lot of money to web developers, you can use this tool and make the most of it. Okay, apart from these tools, there are a few more that you can try on your own, like VoiceMod, Descript, Neverlove, and of course ChatGPT. If you want to know more about ChatGPT, then there is a link in the description. Alright, so this brings me to the end of my topic. I hope these artificial intelligence tools will make your life a lot easier. And thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button.